Good afternoon, children. I hope all of you are in happy. All of you get good marks from our online class exam. Okay, keep it up and study well. In previous class, we learned 4-digit numbers with the help of Spike Abacus. Today, we are going to study face value and place value, expanded form and short form. Okay? Yes. Consider 3 numbers. Let's consider 3 numbers: 43, 635, 6732. Here we get 3 numbers: 43, 635, 2376. Okay. In 43, the place value of please listen. In 43, the place value of 3 is 3 ones or 3. In 43, the place value of 3 is 3 ones or 3. Place value of 3 is 3 ones or 3. Okay. In 43, the place value of 3 is 3 ones or 3. In 43, the place value of 4 is 4 tens or 40. The place value of 4 is 4 tens or 40. The place value of 4 is 4 tens or 40. The next number 635. 635. The place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. Next 3. The place value of 3 is in 635. The place value of 3 is 3 tens or 30. 3 tens or 30. Okay. Next, place value of 6. 6 hundreds or 600. Okay. 600. Okay. Next 2376. The number 2376. The place value of 6, 6 ones or 6. Okay. Place value of 7. 7 is 7 tens 70 or 70. Okay. Place value of 3 is 300 or 300. Okay, the place value of 2, 2000. Two is 2000 or 2. Okay. We get for first letter number 43, the place value of 3 ones. In all above examples, the place value of 3 varies from number to number. In all examples, in all examples, the place value of 3 varies from number to number. The place value, here place value ones, here place value tens or 30. Here place value hundreds or 300. Okay. In all example, the place value of 3 varies from number to number. Here in 43, the place value of 3 is 3, and in 635, the place value of 3 is 30 or 3 tens or 30. Okay. In place value of 2376, the place value of 3 is 300 or 300. 100 place. 3 in 100 place. So, we write as 300. In all example, the place value of 3 is changes. The place value of 3 is changes or varies from number to number. Here the place value ones, here the place value 30, the place value 300. Okay. Here the place value 3. In 43, the place value is 3 ones or 3. In 635, the place value is 30, 3 tens or 30. In 2376, the place value of 3 is 300. Okay, got it? Okay. In other hand, the face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 3 is 3. Okay. What is meant by place value? Okay. Place value. Place value is the place value of a number depends on the position in it. In the number. The place value of the number, place value of a number depends on its position. Here the position is 1, here the position is tens, here the position is 100. The place value of a number depends on its position in the number, Here in 43, the position is 1, here the position is 10, here the position is 100. Okay. The place value of a number, it depends on its position of number, depends on its position of number. Here the 43, in 43 the place value of 3 is 1 place, here the 10 place, here the 100 place. So the place value is the number, the place value of a number depends on its position in the number, depends on the positions of the number. Okay. On other hand, the face value of a digit, place value is the position depends. Here the face value of a number, face value of a digit, face value of a digit, that's digit only, it's digit only, face value of a digit, that's its digit only. Here it depends the position, face value depends position, but face value of a number is, face value of a digit is digit itself. Okay, digit itself. The face value of 3 in 43, the face value of 43. Okay, place value means the place value of a number that depends on its position in the number. The face value of a digit that digits itself. Okay, in 43, the place value of 3, place value of 3 is 3. Okay, in 43, the face value of, the place value of 4 which position? 4 is in the 10 position, so 40. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Okay, yes. Next, the place value of 3 is 3. The face value of 4 is in the position 10 position. So the 10's 4 is equal to 40. Okay, the face value of 3 is 3. Okay, again face value of 4 is 4. In 43, the place value of 3 is 3. The place value of 4 is 40. Okay, it depends on its position. This place value depends on its position, but in face value, no change in digits. The face value of a digits, that digits itself. Okay, that digits itself. Face value of 3 is 3 and face value of 4 is 4. Okay, got it? Okay. Please take a test book. Okay, first question. Please listen. Place value and face value. Okay, first question, 4783. Write the place value and face value of 4. Okay, write the place value and face value of 4. 4 is which position? 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay, 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. This is the 4-digit number. So the place value of 4 is 1000 place, 4 in 1000 place. So we write as 4000. So we write as 4000. Okay. 4, 7, 8, 3. How to read it? 4783. 4783. 3 in 1 place, 8 in 10 place, 7 in 100 place, 4 in 1000 place. Okay, 4 in 1000 place. So, the place value of 4 is 4000. Place value of 4 is 4000. How many zeros are in 4? 3 zeros are in 4. So, 4000, 4, 0, 0, 0. 4000. Next, the face value. Face value of 4 is digit itself. We write here digit itself. Okay. 4. Okay, got it? Okay. Next example. In 4783, the place value of 4 is 4000 and the face value, please note the word face value. Face value means digit itself. Please you write it digit itself. Okay. Face value of 4 is 4 only. Okay. Yes. Next example. 3465. 3465. 3465. 5 in 1 place, 6 in 10 place, 4 in 100 place, 3 in 1000 place. Okay. The place value of 4 here, 4 in 100 place, 4 in 100 place. So, we write as 400. Place value of 4 here, we write as 400. 400. Place value of 4 is 400. Okay, the face value. What is the face value of 4? Yes, correct. The face value of 4 is 4. Only 4. Okay, got it? Yes. The face value of 4 is 4. Only digit 4. Okay. Next, please take your textbook and the page number 58. Yes, 58. Page number 58. Okay, first question, exercise 3A. Is 8 in 100 place? Right? Yes or no? We get 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Please write or underline the 8th place in this number or write yes or no in the 100 place. 8 in 100 place. Is 8 in the 100 place. Okay. First 2348. Here the 8 in 1 place. Our question is 8 in 100 place? Write yes or no. Here the 8 in 1 place. Okay, so we write no. In this number, in 100 place is 4. 100 place is 4. The 8 in the 1 place. So, we write as no. Okay. Yes. Next question. Second, 1283. Again, here 8 in 10 place. The place value of 8 in the 1283 is the 80. Not in the 100 place. So, again we write is no. Okay. Yes. Next number 2845. Yes. Here we can see 8 in 100 place. So, we write as yes. Okay. Yes. Fourth one. 2385. No. 8 in 10 place. So, we write as no. Okay. Have you finished? Yes. Okay. Next one B. Exercise B. Add the place value and the face value of digit underline. Underline add the place value and face value of digit underline. Write the underlined numbers, place value and face value. Underline numbers, place value and face value. Okay. Number 35. We get the underlined the 3. Okay. The place value of 3. Here, place will be write as place value PV. Okay. Place value of 3 is 1 place, 10 place. Here, place value of 3 is 30. Okay. Face value FA. Face value FV. Face value of 3 is digit itself. Please write digit itself. Okay. 3. Okay. Next, second 975. Underline number 7. 1 place, 10 place. So, the place value of 7 is 70 and face value of 7 is 7 only. Okay. Okay. Next, 395. Okay. Underline number is 3. The underline number's place value is 300. 3 is in the 100 position. So, we write as place value 300, face value 3 itself, digit itself. Please write as digits itself. Okay. 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 Next 3 problems you solve in your homework. Okay. Next, we are going to expanded form and short form. Expanded form and short form. Let's consider a number 8,426. 8,426. You try to write the place value of this number. Okay. 6. The place value of 6 is 6. The place value of 2 is 10 place of 20. 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place. Place value of 4 is 400. Place value of 8 is 800. Sorry, 8000. Please note at 8000. Okay, we get place value of 6 is 6. Place value of 2 is 20. Place value of 4 is 400. Place value of 8 is 800. 8000. Okay, we added these place values in numbers. We added all the place values of this number. Okay, 8000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 6. We added the place value of this number. We added all place value of this number. We added all place value of this number. 8420 plus 6. We write it as, this is the expanded form. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form. These are adding to, we get 8426. Added these place values up, we get the 8426. Okay, this form is known as standard form or short form. This form is known as standard form or short form. First of all, we get now consider a number 8426. Okay, the place we write is the place value of this number. Place value of 6 is 6. Place value of 2 is 20. Place value of 4 is 400. Place value of 8 is 8000. Let's be added these place values of all numbers, all digits, we get the expanded form. We get the expanded form. These are joined together, we get the 8426. This form is known as short form or standard form. Short form or standard form. Please listen an example. Okay, write the expanded form of 6390. Okay, first of all, place value of 6. 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place. Okay, please listen. 0 in 1 place, 9 in 10 place, 3 in 100 place, 6 in 1000 place. We write as 6000 plus 300 plus 90. Here we get the 0 in 1 place, so 1 place leave it blank. Okay. Next 4658. 4658. How to write it? 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place. Okay, 4000, 600, 50 plus 8. 8 in 1 place, 1 place. 5 in 10 place, we write as 50. 6 in 100 place, 600. 4 in 1000 place, 4000. Okay. Okay. Next, consider the expanded form and you try to write the short form. 6,800 okay, we get the answer 6,004 in 4 place, 800 third place, 220 second place, 1 in 1 place, 6,820. This is the short form of this numbers. Okay, 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 students. You should do our homework, page number 58, exercise 3, C and D. Okay, okay. Today we studied face value, place value, expanded form, short form. I hope all of you have understood today's class. Okay, take care. Thank you.